Okay guys, today I'm going to do a little review and test on this product. It's made by Real 4x4. They're brass tire deflators. Alright, basically it comes in a little box like this. Good for the beach, good for the trails or whatever. They give you a little tire gauge. You gotta put a battery in there. The little pouch and the instructions. And basically those are the deflators. And basically what you do, I'm going to show you on the truck. Basically what you do is you set them for the tire pressure you want. I'm going to set mine around 16 pounds. And once you set them, you just screw them in. You screw 1, 2, 3, 4. And then when you finish with the first one, you go all the way around. And basically, that's how you deflate them really fast without bending down, constantly letting the air out on each one. All right, so I picked this up on the internet for about $35. I'll show you. They made it all brass. You have a cap, you have a decent sized spring in there, and you got your little plunger and a little lock ring. And you have the one that screws on with the O-ring inside. And basically, you know, they have better ones, but you know, these are very popular. I use them. They're not bad. I mean, they have the other ones made by a different company. I forgot the name. It starts with an S. But anyway, it's about $75 for them. These are half price, and I believe they do the same job. All right? So next time we're going to show it on the truck. Okay, the first thing you want to do, you can use the digital gauge that comes with it, but I have my own here. Is the first thing you want to do to set each one. You want to do this before you go to the beach, so all you got to do is just screw them in. They'll be already set for the tire pressure you want. All right, so right now we're at 40 pounds. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let it out. See, that's the whole idea of using these, unless you would have to do this, bend over at the beach, the sun beating on you, let out the air. You don't want to do that. You just want to screw them in and walk away and wait. Okay, well, just about 20 pounds now. So when you get a 20, I put it 20 so you can adjust it. They're not 100% accurate, none of them are, but they do a good job. This is a 20 PSI. Now you take it, and what you want to do, because it has a spring in there, you want to tighten it pretty much, not all the way, tighten it enough that you know it's past 20 pounds. Maybe you screw it in halfway. Then you put it on. Make sure it's tight. And then what you do is you back it out until you hear the air. What's happening is the spring inside is getting longer and less pressure. So the more you tighten it, the more you put it clockwise, it's more tighter, it's more pressure. So counterclockwise, less pressure. Okay. You hear it now, you just turn it a little bit until it stops. And then you take the lock ring and you lock it on it. And you're pretty good. And they unscrew it. And you check the pressure again. Let's see what it's at. Alright, this one's still at 20. So what you gotta do, it takes a couple of times, but once you have them set, all you gotta do is just screw them in and you're ready to go. Release the lock ring. Let's check that one now. Alright, we're at about 18, about 17. That's not bad. 17 is not bad. Then you take it, you lock it in. Screw it in again to make sure it doesn't have no air come out. And that one's good. And basically, you do that to all. You can use the same tire to reset them all. And what I just did to this, you do to the other 3 of them, and you're ready to go. And then when you get to the beach, you take your cap off, you unscrew it, the air starts coming out, you do all 4, and you add down in about 5 minutes, instead of bending down and taking 20 minutes. All right, guys, this is Motorcar Nut 2020. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and I'm gonna have more videos in the future. Thanks a lot. Hey, like in the other videos, I set them up. This is live action. We're on the beach, and here we go. You put it in. It's already set for about 18 pounds. Okay, you put it in, let it go. Now you go to your next one.